Hello and welcome back to my channel. I was in a face-to-face training session this morning and my attendees asked me where they can go and check the AI usage in Canva, in their Canva settings itself. We use Canva AI on a daily basis, and if you want to keep track of it, know that you can, and know that your credits reset on a monthly basis. Let me show you where to find your AI usage settings. Well, it's in the settings. Let me go and show you where to find it. So from your Canva home screen, you are going to go to the bottom left-hand side where your profile settings are. So click on that and then on settings. From there, you're going to go to billing. On your billing screen, you will see under plan, you'll have AI usage. And my usage resets on the 26th of August. Today is the 30th of July. I have in the last couple of days only used 6% of my AI credits. So if you want to know which features use up your AI allowance, you simply click on the link down here and it will open in your browser and you'll be able to see what you use your AI credits on.